So today I'm heading down to a mate's workshop so we can do an exhaust modification that I've seen a few guys do now. It's pretty cheap, bang for your buck. I'm not sure how it's going to sound. Basically, from hearing it and hearing what guys had to say about it, it sounds really good. I think the resonators help it, so it doesn't drone and doesn't sound sort of tacky. But today's Monday, and I've owned the car now for what, 4 days, 5 days maybe. So I've put 1200 Ks on it already, just trying to get it out and about and see what it's like. And we've done our first modification, which was adding a trifold hard lid on the back of the tray, so that I can lock things in the back of it. But today is modification number 2, and modification number 2 is a muffler delete. So these things have a very, very restrictive exhaust system on them to keep them really quiet. They also have a flap that goes, sort of moves with, it looks like a cork or something on the lip of it, which I'll show you guys once we cut it out. And so it's just a really restrictive exhaust system. So that's probably why they got them to sound so bloody quiet. So all we're doing today is we're going to cut out the center muffler and straight pipe it. So there'll still be mufflers in it, still resonators in it, but it's just this one muffler. It's huge. It looks massive, and we're going to remove that one, and we're going to add some straight pipe in there. You can get another modification where they add a sports muffler into it, but from what I've seen, it still seems really quiet, and you can't really hear it still. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll get down here now, put it on the hoist, I think, and cut it out, and we'll see what it sounds like at the end of it. Hopefully we don't have a drone exhaust system.
When you got the juice, yeah, the juice is in the vein. Yeah, the proof is in the pudding. Yeah, all the proof is in the name. Yeah, once again, I'm the one they call the bully. You can find me with the gang. Got no time to be a rookie. Yeah, I got time to be the man. I'm the one who got the juice. Yeah, the juice is in the vein. Yeah, the proof is in the pudding. Yeah, all the proof is in the name. You can find me with the gang. Got no time to be.
It's like a fucking tank. So this is where the major noise restriction comes from. So there's a flap in there, and it looks like it has like a half moon cork on the bottom of it.
Yeah, right.
So basically what we do is you cut it back from just on this side here.
Yep.
And then you know, just here wherever we get the right size.
Yeah.
And just straight pipe it.
Alright,
This is better already. That's a no muffler. This is basically what we're cutting out. Look at this thing. So this way a little bit lower. You see that? Big dirty flap hanging in there. Like a cork bottom end or something. Gone. Modification number 2. Straight pipe. Actually doesn't sound too obnoxious or anything, eh? Like it's just, it sounds crisp. Actually sounds good.
Sounds good in the car when you get it.
Well, our second modification's been done to the Silverado. It's just clocked 1200 Ks, 1258 Ks. And we've just straight piped it, basically just took the center muffler out. Sounds pretty tough. Sounds a bit weird with the all that shit where they drop cylinders and all that sort of rubbish, but that'll be one of the next mods we do, is put a pulsar kit on this car. Well, we're looking at it anyway. I just want to make sure we're not going to run into any issues with warranty and all that sort of stuff, but you can definitely hear it sounds a bit strange when it drops cylinders and does all that sort of stuff that it does. But other than that, for a bit of 3-inch pipe and 5 minutes on the welder, pretty good bang for your buck. At least now I can hear it. It sounds like a V8. If you got 6.2 litres of V8 underneath you, you want to be able to hear it. And we certainly can hear it now. Well, that's it. Exhaust is done. Massive thanks to Kurt. Then just use the hoist and weld it out and cut it up, and just all around good guy squeezing it in. That's what she sounds like. If you guys want to see some more mods that we're going to do, hit the subscribe button for us. I'm only just starting this channel off. It's going to be a new channel, and going to show you through some of the stuff that I do with work and different toys that I play with along the way. Every time you guys subscribe, it helps out, and appreciate it.